Hi. Now today we will use Excel to understand how we can save time and prioritize work and reduce our stress levels. Okay. So one of the key reasons for stress is lack of control. When you have that sense of not being in control, your stress level goes up, which often happens and we feel that we are in shortage of time and we feel helpless. So we will talk about some of the world's best known techniques which we can use to gain more control over life. Enough of the problems, let's talk about the solution now. So, in life, there are basically four pillars: health, your spirituality, your social and relationships, and work and finance. Okay, so we have to juggle between all these and manage our lives between this. Now, Eisenhower has said that there are four types of work which can be classified. So if you see, this is that is important and urgent. So which will have deadlines, which are pressing problems, etc. Okay, and this quadrant talks about tasks that are important but not very urgent. For example, daily exercise, spiritual life. They will take time and effort to achieve, probably going to the gym. Okay. Now, this quadrant talks about which appear to be urgent but are not really important. So these are, you will see, lack of clearly defined long-term goals. Okay, so these are not important and will not have a long-term impact. That's how you can see if something which will not have a long-term impact is probably not very important. And there would be certain things which are neither important nor urgent, like playing video games, okay, and watching television. They will not have any impact in your life that way and are probably not as important. So let's see how using Excel we can automate and help to utilize and classify these tasks. Now let's see how on Excel this takes care of what we have talked about. Okay. So here you have all the tasks at hand that you are currently facing. So maybe to probably you have to have a project submission, pick up daughter from school, etc., etc., etc. So before starting, what you will do, you will write the task. Let's say project submission, pick up daughter from school, cook dinner, etc., etc. It could be work, family, spiritual, anything. That the four pillars that we have spoken about. Okay. Once that is done, you list down your task. Just give the frequency of that. For example, the frequency of a project submission, say it has to be done for only once. Okay. So you write here to be done till one day, and select frequency to be daily. Okay. You can also write one day in this case, and then okay. So I'll select daily only because the numbers will change. So this is something which is also daily, but it has to be done only, say it has to be done for years on end. And similarly, you have to, mark all of these. For example, say read book on leadership and sales. So weekly, you will read one book every week, and this has to be done continuously for years. Okay. That way you get a score. So I'll tell you in my, probably in one of the next videos, how this is being done. Now, come here, you have to give importance and urgent scores to each of your tasks as we had discussed. So project submission is of course important. It is urgent also. Okay. Pick up daughter from school is very important. Urgent, yes, extremely urgent. Okay. It is very urgent, but maybe it is not so important because I can also ask someone else to pick my daughter from school. So I can reduce the importance here. Then maybe cook dinner. Of course, this is not very important. I can anyway order, and it's not that urgent also. Okay, this is done on a weekly basis and I keep doing it for years. I will be doing it. Okay, so similarly, I think you get the hang of it and you will mark your importance urgent scores like this, and also select what is the frequency of the task and till when you plan to do it, and automatically a score is being calculated from these two cells, and these two blue cells you have to be typed in like I just showed. Okay, so let's say daily meditation is very important, maybe 8. Okay, but it's not urgent, right? And yeah, this is there. So once this is done, this is the block that you have to fill. Okay, that's it. Once this is filled, automatically this is being arranged. So basis the scores that you have written, you are the project submission has the highest score of 8.2, then 3, 2.3, etc., 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 and with the urgent important score. So project submission got the highest scores of 7 and 7, and is right at the top. Okay, so just come here. When you move towards right, automatically you see your Eisenhower matrix, or the matrix that we just discussed, is being captured automatically. So for that, what I have done, I have simply written say 7, but I would recommend that you just keep 7 only. Okay, then so project submission is, suppose if I give say 9. Okay, let me say 9. Okay, so then nothing is really important and urgent. Everything, slides down here. Got it? Yeah. So that's how, and it is getting automatically created. So I think this should help. Let me know in your comments, and then I will explain how this has been calculated. Yeah, all the details of the formula and everything. Okay, bye.